In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my iPhone's name. First, we need to open the Settings app. This is a crucial step because the Settings app is where all the configurations for your iPhone are stored. On your home screen, look for the gray gear icon, which represents the settings. When you tap on it, you'll be taken to a menu filled with various options. This menu is essential for managing everything from your Wi-Fi connections to your privacy settings. The visual of the gear icon is something you will recognize easily, and tapping it signals the start of customizing your device. Next, tap on General. This option is usually located near the top of the settings menu. It's represented by a simple label, and tapping it will take you to a new screen with several options. The general settings allow you to adjust broad aspects of your iPhone's functionality. This area covers important features, including software updates and usage statistics. Knowing how to navigate here simplifies many tasks and ensures that your device is running smoothly. A clear understanding of these settings is valuable for any iPhone user. Now tap on About. This section provides vital information about your device. Here you can see details such as your iPhone's model, serial number, and the current software version. It's also where you will find the name of your device. This step is important because it gives you access to the specific settings you need to change your iPhone's name. Once you're in the About section, you'll see various pieces of information about your device that can help you troubleshoot or understand your iPhone better. From there, tap on Name. This will allow you to change the current name of your iPhone. The current name will be displayed at the top of the screen. By tapping on this option, you will be taken to a new screen where you can enter your desired name. This is a straightforward step, but it's significant because your iPhone's name is what will be visible to others when you use features like AirDrop and Bluetooth. A personalized name can make your device feel more uniquely yours and helps you easily identify it among other devices, especially in crowded spaces. After that, enter the new name you want for your iPhone. You can choose anything that resonates with you, whether it's your name, a nickname, or something fun. Make sure to consider how this name will represent your device to others. This step gives you the opportunity to express your personality through your device. Once you have typed in the new name, take a moment to check for any typos. Getting this right ensures that your new name appears exactly as you want it. Finally, tap Done. This action confirms your new name and saves your changes. Once you tap Done, you will notice a brief moment of processing as your iPhone updates its settings. You will see a confirmation that your changes have been saved, giving you peace of mind that everything is set. Your new iPhone name will now be used for AirDrop, Bluetooth, personal hotspot, Find My, iCloud, and when connecting your iPhone to a computer. This is essential because it ensures that your device is easily identifiable in various settings, enhancing your user experience. And that's it. You have successfully changed your iPhone's name. Remember, personalizing your device can make it feel more like your own. Enjoy navigating your iPhone with its new name.